Welcome back to Big Nick's Meats and Treats. New Year's is right around the corner and I always like to do something special for New Year's. So today I'm going to show you how to do smoked cheese stuffed hamburgers. And I'm going to do them on the smoker. You don't have to flip them or anything. Really delicious. And it's just awesome when you bite into the burger and that cheese comes out. In the Midwest they call these Juicy Lucy's. So I'm going to start off with just a hair over a pound of burger. And I'm going to season it real liberally with kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper. Because I'm not flipping these or anything, I'm not actually going to season them on the outside. I like to taste the seasoning with every bite when you bite into them. So real liberally with salt and coarse ground black pepper. And then I'm going to mix that burger up. I'm going to break this down into about 8-ounce portions. I'm going to weigh it out actually. And I'll break it down into 8-ounce portions and then I'll show you how I make the little well for the cheese. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, I got an 8-ounce portion of burger here. This is 85-15. I usually like 80-20, but I'm going to do 85-15 today because that's all they had. I took that 8-ounce portion and I broke it up in about 4.5 and 3.5. And what I have here is a green egg hamburger press. And it's made for making cheese stuffed burgers, so I'm just gonna press down on this inside the hamburger press here, and you'll see it makes a little well inside of the burger that you can put your cheese in. So it makes a little well, and then I'm going to take my shredded cheddar cheese and fill that up. And then I'm going to pop this out of the press. Take this other portion here and make a patty out of it. Put that on top. And then the most important thing here is you got to pinch all the edges. Otherwise, when the burger melts, all the cheese is going to come out. So you kind of want to pinch the edges, keep that cheese in. And then I put it back in the press one more time, the other direction, just to give it some shape. There we go. We got an 8-ounce cheese stuffed patty. I'm going to put that on the smoker at 250 degrees. I'm going to use oak. I'll put it on the smoker at 250 degrees. I'm going to put a probe in it and I'm going to cook it to about 155, and that's going to take a little over an hour. So I'll see you in about an hour. Alright, welcome back. It's been almost an hour exactly at 250 on the smoker. The burgers look amazing. They got a beautiful color on them. You can see a little bit of cheese leached out of one on there. I might have missed a spot when I was pinching the edges, but man, they just look beautiful. They smell really good. So I'm going to build myself a burger here, put this thing together and dig into it. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright, I have this amazing burger put together. I got tomatoes, pickles, lettuce. I'm going to take a bite of this thing here and show you what the inside looks like. Look at that cheese inside the burger. Oh, that smoke tastes so good. I really love the flavor of oak on burger. So good. Absolutely delicious. Super easy. If you don't have a burger press, just take the same portion of meat that I showed earlier and just make a little bowl out of it with your hands, put the cheese in there and put the patty on the top. Same thing. Burger press just makes it a little easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe right down here. And I will see you next week. Until then, watch my work, baby.